Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring a couple of new things. That is the Blooming Phrases stamp set, Secret C in color. Those two items you can't get until May the 6th, but I'm doing a little preview. I'm also featuring the Country Flowers stamp set, and of course my favorite dies. These are called the Stylish Shapes dies. If you don't have this in your stash, you need to get it. Circles, squares, and banners, and different sizes of each, so they will fit your needs perfectly. All right, I'm inking up my Memento Tuxedo Black ink with one of the images from the Country Flowers stamp set. There's a couple of things on that stamp set. There's this plant. There's flowers that can go into the jug or teapot, and some pretty, it looks like orchid rose type images as well. So I have to say, sometimes when I'm filming, I can't get right over top of my project, but check this out. I mean, I was going to cut this part out where I had to sort of fit everything in. My bum's hanging out. But perfect stamping. Gotta say, I don't pat myself on the back, but I did for this one. Check it out. Woohoo! I was so excited. All right, so I'm speeding up the video. I am using my blends markers, two in particular. These are the boho blue blends, light and dark, and then I use the old olive. So here I started with the dark, and then I laid down some color. It's almost like, under color, and then I went in with the light. And there's sometimes reasons why I do this. I didn't know how light this light was going to be. I didn't want much bleeding. I am coloring on a non-porous surface, so that is just a piece of paper that where it can draw the ink in. And so I started with the dark. I went in with the light, and now I'm really emphasizing where I need the shadows to go. Moving on, so I'm going to let that dry, the colors to soak in. And now I'm going in with Old Olive. So I start with light with this one because I want parts of the plant leaves to be as light as they can. So I am saturating the whole entire leaf. And so it depends on what result that I want to get, the reason why I do light to dark, dark to light. So as you can see, when the teapot is drying, you're going to see a visible line with where the shadow is. So for this one, I went with light, saturated the entire leaf, then went in with dark because I didn't want too much dark. And you will see I'm doing the veins dark right at the core of the plant, the leaf, and then I will go in with my light now after I've finished with the dark, and I'm just going to blend that dark into the light, but I'm not going to go over the edges. So you can see I'm just fading in that dark color. So it's one continuous, but I didn't go all the way to the ends, because the more times you put layers of color on, the darker it becomes, right? Or the chance that you will get to have a bleeder. So I just evened up that teapot just a little. You can see where the lightest bit is. And then I went in and stamped with my Secret C ink. And I also colored over it with a Uniball Signo pigment white pen. You can find them on Amazon. And then because it's a pigment ink, so I had that little design and I thought I would use it. So I just showed you a sneak peek of the a new stamp set called Blooming Phrases. Absolutely loved it. I like, there's a lot of squiggly lines like happy birthday, thanks, celebrate, hello there, and happy anniversary, just because, thinking of you. And I went with thanks because I make a lot of thank you cards. I'm very grateful. So this is the Mediterranean Blooms Designer Series paper. I put it on a basic white mat. And then this is that pretty cloud cover again. I can't get enough of this paper. The ink is not available yet, and well, we're just crossing our fingers that we're gonna get an ink. Apparently it's shifting in color, so Stampin' Up hasn't released it to us, and I'm just showing you a sneak peek. That cardstock, the cloud cover, I'm all over it. It is very pretty. It is the lightest, like powdery, I don't even think it's gray, white blue. It's so pretty. I like blues though. I drive around in a blue car. Did you know that? All right. Anyway, so I put another strip of the Mediterranean Blooms on, and now that circle went on with dimensionals, and then I'm putting a little bit of adhesive on my banner and 2 dimensionals on either side. And then, you guys, not that this is going to be a surprise to anybody, I'm going to color the teapot with Wink of Stella. And if you don't have that in your stash, you should put that on your order. So anyway, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section on YouTube, or in the supplies section of my blog post. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all your comments, for the thumbs up, and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.